We're at Premium Outlet. Premium Outlet it is. Hi, Shannon. So, hi guys. It's our third day. And we're at Premium Outlet. It's our coach, Darren. Hey guys. Pumasok din ako dito sa Aritzia. And right now, hinahanap ko lang yung mga kids kasi nawawala na sila. Especially Clyde. Lalo na wala pa namang phone line yun. So I'm just walking around dito sa Premium Outlet. Actually guys, maganda dito kasi may mga Gucci, yung mga nakita ko, Longchamp, and all. Yan o, daming mga stores behind me. Kailangan ko guys actually ng sapatos na comfortable. So hopefully makakita ako ng sapatos na comfortable. Pero hindi ko na kasi mahanap yung Adidas. We'll see. Guys, pasok tayo sa Pop Mart. First time ko makakapasok sa Pop Mart. Guys, nagta-try on lang ako ng shoes dito sa Adidas. This is size 6. Okay. On my... Here ako sa Tumi, guys. Tumi. Bumili ako ng sling bag. Ayan. Ginagawan lang niya ako ng embroider or stamping na ganyan kasi pinalagyan ko siya ng stamping DM. So that's it for me guys for this trip. I don't know about my son kasi hindi ko pa nahanap. Look at Maui. See Maui girl. We're at Tori. Sis Maui buying Tori. Eto naman, naka-shopping na ako. Hi for my vlog. Punta na kami sa food court and then malapit nang umuwi. Naka-shopping na. Food court, girl, yes! Asan ba? Tapos na kami kumain, guys. Yung kinain ko, sushi. Nakapamili na rin. Tapos si Clyde nahanap ko na rin. Naghihintay lang kami sa mga ibang kasama. Nandito na sila sa tapat ng Nike. Dito yung meeting place namin. We're going back to the hotel and then after that, we're going to the game center.
I think we're going.
We're going back to the hotel. Hey guys, we're going na sa gaming center and this is my outfit. It says, I will always be your biggest fan, Clyde Mislane. And sa likod naman niya, so hard to show. Can you show ano? Sa likod naman niya, it says, Mom of 8, Clyde Jadrian. See? Yan yung ginawa kong shirt before we come here sa Toronto na pinagpuyatan ko. So, I'm very glad it worked out good. Yung anak ko nagre-ready na. And all. Ate is giving away some of their eyeglasses. That's so cool. That's so smart. Don't lose it, ha? Oh my God. These are Canadian basketball. We're going to the game center.
I can get the pass.
There. The pass. Or go inside there. Look. We're here in the game center. Hi guys! Nandito ako sa game center. So dito yung warm-up zone ng mga bata. Actually, I am looking for Clyde's team. Kasi I just wanna video them, guys, warming up. Guys, the team is here. They're watching games right now. Kids are warming up for their first game. Coaches are here. Say hi to my vlog. Hi to Tita's viewers. Si I'm the kid who loves to dance. We're just waiting for the team. The team is having a meeting there. And kami naman ni Ellie, magka-sit down dito. He loves vlogging, guys. What's your channel? Mario is his vlog. Hey guys, it's final game for the night. Nagwo-warm up na sila. They're here. Clyde! Say hi! And then the parents are here. Ganito yung setup nila. Tapos, dito sa kabila, ganyan naman. Yan, actually. Oh.
I like this. Take a bite. But like he knew the notes. He knew how to read
Take
music.
bites and how to read tacos.
Yeah. He like knew all the stuff.
Guys, I have to end my vlog now, guys. It's 12 and ngayon pa lang kami matutulog ni Clyde. Say good night, Clyde.
Good night.
So I'm gonna end the vlog sa exact day na kinuha ko. And I'll see you guys on another vlog for tomorrow. Bye-bye! Ay, mali.